Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, webcam, and left speaker cables for later replacement. Disconnect the wireless antenna cables from its connectors on the wireless module. Remove the left speaker, wireless antenna, and webcam cables from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless antenna transceivers from the display enclosure. Replacement. Place the wireless antenna transceivers into position on the display enclosure. Route the left speaker, wireless antenna, and webcam cables through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless module.